Tea coasters are an everyday item and they provide utility to every household. And when you gift a set of tea coaster, the recipient is always going to find a use for the same, either in his office or at home. But the problem is, when you buy tea coasters from the open market, your choice will be restricted to generic designs and patterns. For example, you will get random cartoons or just some logos. At Orchid Digitals, we can print your tea coasters bearing your particular designs or bearing your particular images. For example, if you need a corporate logo reproduced on a tea coaster, or perhaps you need to gift a set of tea coasters bearing images of your loved ones, their photographs, not a problem. You can easily commission the same from us. Such a personalized gift will be treasured for years to come and will not be discarded. Moreover, by virtue of their everyday utility, these custom printed coasters will remain in front of the recipient's eyes whenever they sit down at the dining table. At Orchid Digitals, we fabricate your coasters from a 3.5 mm thick sheet of MDF. MDF stands for medium density fiberboard. It's wood. It does not allow heat to pass through. Moreover, it's waterproof. It's extremely durable. This product is extremely durable. We can cut your coasters in standard square or even circular shapes. Further, the inks that we use to reproduce these images are UV inks that we use on the front face of these coasters. And this ensures two things. Number one, you get an extremely high resolution print with really good photographic quality, as you can see out here. Secondly, UV inks are highly robust and durable. They do not scratch, they're resistant to water, oil stains and everyday wear and tear. I look forward to seeing you here at Orchid Digitals. If for nothing else, at least for a cup of chai. And I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll keep you updated about new print products and signage services at our place.